Hello everybody, how are you today? In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your ChatGPT. Before doing that, you should log up to your chatgpt.com. After you log up with your information, you will receive an email to your Gmail, I don't know, an email to your email, and you should click on it and it will, the link will redirect you to ChatGPT and it is done. You log up. When you log into your account, you can upgrade your ChatGPT from here. Two places. There are two places to upgrade from here, and click upgrade, and from here upgrade to the next level. You can click here the simplest one, upgrade. Okay, there are two sections: individuals and companies. Individuals $20 per month, whereas companies $25 per month. There are many features when you upgrade to ChatGPT Place. Here you can see that there are many features. I will upgrade from here. Click on it. I will translate it as to be understood to everyone. Waiting translation. It is in French. Anyway, it looks like English, but you should fill in the blanks with your personal information, your visa, personal green cards. I will fill in the blanks, my personal information. If you click here, every month you will ChatGPT will get $20 from you automatically every month. I don't like to do that. I will go directly to simple one. If I would like to not continue subscribe with ChatGPT Plus, I will do it. Okay, I will click here, subscribe, and they check if I'm human. It is done. Now you can see I'm in ChatGPT 4. Oh, I hope you understand how it is to be. It is as simple as it is very simple. This so also subscribe to upgrade your strategy is very simple. Okay, I hope you the best and see you later.